Happy Vlogmas. Why do I say Vlogmas every single time? Happy Vlog Us. Day 5. I got the day right, that's for sure. We are en route. You guys totally missed the breakfast video this morning because I was too excited just to eat it. It was, I probably should have waited to vlog because I'm moving all over the place.
I know, I can't help it.
No, it's not your fault. It's the roads here is that's fault. This morning for breakfast we had French toast, hash brown, like fried potatoes, and bacon. We are now getting ready to head into town for a little bit. So I thought I would give you guys a little bit of view of the town of Old Forge, and I'm not sure which places we'll be able to see, but I know for sure because last year I had brought Ashley Beauty up here and we went shopping in town, and she has a lot of the places that we went to in her vlog. So if I can find her vlog, I will link it up here in the card above. You can go check out her vlog of the Adirondacks from last year. What stores we think we're gonna hit up?
Oh, we gotta hit up the t-shirt store.
The t-shirt store.
Life is good.
Life is good.
Rainbow's End you wanted to go to.
Rainbow's End we always have to go to. That's the place where I find a lot of my tie-dyes, t-shirts. And maybe the Candy Cottage.
Yeah, I want to get some of their kettle corn.
Kettle corn.
Janine's is the best, but I like kettle corn.
Yeah, Janine does make the best popcorn. Oh, and we do have popcorn here. Let me just show you. Okay, the popcorn is our first stop is heading back over to my sister's camp because we made the chicken wing dip, but we forgot to pop the popcorn for the party. So we're actually just bringing her some popcorn today because she absolutely loves, like, if you guys have not had Janine's popcorn, you have not lived a day in your life, I'm just saying. So that's gonna be it for now. Wow, look at the garbage. Is there anything else we can pick? What? Look at, there's more coolers. Why is everybody just throwing coolers out? This is like the second time it was a different, like 2 or 3 coolers was in the dumpster. I can't figure it out. So we're here in town now, and we're at this first little stop, which is called Maxon's House. Has a lot of nice little neat things. What's this? Oh, let's do this. Look, it says photo op. Come here. Look. Dude, don't pee on the photo op. Let's get 2 of you in there. You don't necessarily do the kid stuff. Oh, hang on a minute. Let's get it all in frame. Smile, guys. Yeah, I'll just do a screen capture of this. Oh my God, that's hysterical. This is really cute. So look, so this place is called the Oil Well, for sure.
I like how they put the
Oh, look at this little, this is the air-conditioned area. How adorable. The owner of this place must sell doTERRA, which is another company that sells essential oils similar to like Young Living, which most of you don't know. I'm actually a distributor for Young Living oil, so doTERRA is like their big competitor, but Honestly, I have a couple of other companies that I actually get my essential oils from. I only keep my distributorship for Young Living because of the thieves oil, but all my other ones I get through a company called Barefoot Essential Oils. I wonder if I should get some of this so I can prepare for my spicy ramen challenge that I'm going to be doing in the near future. I cannot believe all these little oils, and you can take like little samples to try. This is a really cute place. They have a lot of cute little cafes where you can eat outside here. This is the Tow Bar Inn. This is the Five Corners Cafe. And now we're gonna walk into the Wag the Dog, which is a store for duders. So we are in the t-shirt shop now, where you can get custom t-shirts, and it is nice and air conditioned in here. So we're going to shop around in here for a few minutes, see what we can find. These are adorable too.
They're custom made with vintage maps.
Oh wow. Yeah, I think I'm gonna get one of these ponytail holder things.
Okay.
Still debating on whether or not.
So now we're about to head into one of my favorite shops here. Rainbow's End.
Oh, I like that.
Oh, I like that one.
That's a large.
We're shopping already and we haven't even come in to the store. Ooh, I like
Auto
those.
things. This is me with my Pepsi.
So we just finished up in the Candy Cottage, and I'll have to show you what we got when we get back to camp. I got this, it's called a top hat, which is like a marshmallow covered with caramel, one of my favorite things of all times. And I got this other Rice Krispie. I have to show you. I gotta show you guys this right now. This is like a Rice Krispie treat that's made with Fruit Loops. Amazing. The other thing I got, these are the top hats, like I was saying, marshmallow covered with caramel and white chocolate. Yum. So we are back from shopping, etc. And I just found this other little spot. This is right next to our cottage, and it has this nice big rock that you can just sit here and just watch the lake. All afternoon there's been people going up and down with like the kayaks and the paddle boats that you can rent to go around out on the water, and it's just a nice peaceful view experience, I guess you could say. I've been trying to capture we've had two big huge blue jays around our cottage, and I've yet to capture that on camera. I'm hoping to catch that for you. We're getting ready to eat. We have some chicken cooking, and then probably it's just going to be maybe campfire with s'mores. And that's going to wrap up our day here in the ADK. Tonight for dinner we're having some chicken drumsticks, and we're steaming some corn And we're gonna put some barbecue sauce on those bad boys right at the end. We're out at the campfire and we're still striking out when it comes to the bear watch. We have not heard them tonight. But what we are doing is we are making s'mores now. I'm making a special s'more. S'more. I always say that. S'more. Do you say s'more or s'more? I say s'more. That's how Joanne says it. And mine is going to be with the marshmallow, the Reese's peanut butter cup, and I have a cinnamon, what is it, graham cracker. So let's get to toasting. That's amazing.
Got your plate down.
I don't have a plate. I had...
You didn't bring a plate?
I didn't, because you're just going to smush it. I had a thing out. Where'd it go? I had a cracker out already. Oh, it must have... Yeah, I broke it in half and everything.
Is it underneath your phone?
I don't know. No, I don't think it is. No.
I don't know what to do with it then. Doodles ate it.
Oh, it's right here. Oh, no, that's the top of that one that I just cracked.
It's there.
Oh, there it is. I found it. Okay. Let's see if we can get this. This is, I'm going to totally drop this. Let's see.
Yeah.
That's okay. I think I got it. Oh, if you take the top... No. Oh, you wrecked it. Oh.
Well, you didn't wait 2 seconds. Pull back.
It's a fail.
It'll fail.
I was going to try to make it a double-decker.
You still can.
Can we? Can we make it a double-decker?
You want another Reese's in there?
No, I just want to double up the marshmallow. There we go. Let's put the top on there. I'll at least do something. I'll put the top on the... Oh, yeah, that looks good. Okay, so we basically have this amazingness.
Did I leave the wipes up there?
I didn't see any wipes.
I must have left them up on the counter. I pulled them out, and then I set them down to do something.
Mmm. How many years did it take me to switch from the Hershey bar to the Reese's peanut butter cup? So much better. Let me know in the comments below. Do we hear a bear? No. Do we have a bear at the end of the vlog? Good thing I got Dooders in his sling. This would be awful exciting. Who's saying bear? Over there?
Over there.
Behind us. Will I have time to eat the s'more before we have to stand up? I heard something. Did you hear that?
Yeah.
Is it a fake noisemaker?
I think it's a fake noise.
That's not funny at all. Janine, I say we go toilet paper their cabin tomorrow.
We have to make sure we have enough toilet paper for it.
We think that was a false alarm.
Yes.
That is going to be it for the vlog today, guys. Thanks so much for hanging out with us today. You guys be awesome. Enjoy the rest of the day. And I'm going to chat with you tomorrow in my next vlog. Bye, guys.